It's raining. Sunday morning. I was gonna go to church with John. I was brushing my teeth when he took off, so I guess I took too long. They were already running late, so I went to the store, Safeway, got some groceries. Now I'm gonna go back into this place and see if they'll let me chill in there because it's raining. I don't want to go back to where I was staying. And they let me stay in here before. I just don't want to bug them and make it a problem, so we'll see how it goes. And I usually get some hot chocolate and a cup of coffee while I'm here too, because it's a hotel. Anyways, I'm right outside. Good, how are you? What have you been up to?
Not a whole lot today.
Not much?
Nah. Same job. More fun every day. What are you doing?
Hoping I could eat in here for a minute, since it's raining.
Yeah, no worries.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got a lemon fruit pie, beef jerky, a sandwich, and baked cheese curds, and a Red Bull. And I had water from before, so it just about choked. On the fruit pie. I saw Mike from BMAC, the guy who's been helping me out, who gave me the bike and like clothes and stuff, and gave me a ride one time. I saw him at Safeway. Just kind of caught up because I haven't seen him in like a month or so. He said I could still get the money to go to school, so that was nice because I was kind of worried. It had been a while since I had talked to them. I told him what had been going on. He was just like, "Oh, okay, whatever." So that was nice. I got my new pants on. These gray pants with the black shoes. My old Carhartt sweater. I saw Kate and Kyle and two other guys chilling downtown. In this one spot, they had a couple blankets that looked alright. I don't know. It just sucks. They should just get back into the shelter or whatever. They're just gonna do what they want to do. A couple of people's birthdays have gone by. Mine's coming up in a few months. I'm gonna be 22. Hopefully I'll be working by then. I mean, I was working before, and I was renting my own room. But it didn't end well, so I left. Wasn't going good. Didn't end well. My hammock would not be fun to be in today. It is not waterproof and it's really thin. So like it was a little chilly with the breeze being in the shade yesterday when it was sunny. So today being cold and raining, no way. I just kind of wonder what everyone else is doing. And I'm thinking about how everything went. It's just whatever. I don't know. When I'm doing this, I'm kind of like, what am I doing? You know, maybe I shouldn't be doing this. But it was fun. I mean, making these videos. I need to do some laundry. I'm starting to feel like I got too much stuff. Like I should probably chill out and save my money.
I always find
Don't spend it anymore.
funny cat videos about videos where they're like running, they stop on the limb.
The chairs here are really comfy. I don't know. Got some pillows on there with a blanket. And the guy here is really nice. This is like the, I don't know. I don't know what you'd call this room. Just another day. A couple people moved out yesterday. Going to an actual house, which is cool. If I get into a program, hopefully I could do that too. If not, I'll be back at the clubhouse. I just want to be able to be clean. I'm feeling good though. I mean, like, I feel like I got a couple good outfits. I should just get a couple pairs of shoes and a couple dress shirts, maybe another sweater. So I got this one, I got the green one, but I think I need another one that just looks nice. Not old and bummy. Let me get back into at least riding shape so I can ride that bike around. Because I'm only able to walk. I haven't been going on rides with them because I didn't want to feel tired. I've been kind of depressed, you know, lately. For a bit. And I don't know. Smoking doesn't help. And a pair of cowboy boots. I need to go get a pair of cowboy boots. But really, I gotta get a job. Get signed up for school. So I could, you know, get that license and have a little bit of money stacked up. Even if I don't get a place, just have money. Better than doing nothing. The rain's good, but it's not good. At the same time, it makes it gloomy. I guess I shouldn't tell people my plans. I should just tell people about the things I do. Because I didn't know that these guys were leaving, and then he's just like today, oh hey, see you later. Like, whoa. I kind of want to get going, but it's raining pretty good outside. So I think I'm going to try to stay here as long as I can. Dots, baked cheese curls. They're pretty good. Almost like a Cheeto. And a sandwich I've had 1,000 times before. It's 12:15 and it's still pouring. I didn't really like energy drinks before, but now I'm liking them. They always have the newspaper. I might check out the newspaper. I'm in the bathroom. And when I get a place, man, I really just want it to be nice. Just nice. I mean, what I mean by that is just like, I just want to, I don't know, it just has to feel right. I don't want it just to be any place that I'm living in, like my last couple. I want it to feel like it's mine, you know. I guess I could try ordering my passport. Now that I got a little bit of money, I could actually do things. Because, you know, when you get money, the more things you can buy, the more you can do, you know. But that's just, I don't need that. I should try to get this license before I do anything. Still need to go get some mail that I haven't picked up yet. And I could do some unboxing videos and testing of some hiking gear because I'm getting emails all the time for it. I could do that. I'm all out of my EBT money, so I'd use my tax return money, my bank account. And then I got this card with $40 on it that I haven't used yet, so I should try and use that too. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end my video. I didn't do much yet today or this morning, but I'm just gonna apply for jobs, chill here until it stops raining, or until they tell me to go, still get more food, and have a good one. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and leave a like. If you comment, I'll try to get back to you and come back for more.